2025. The future of battlefield logistics has arrived, and it's not rolling in quietly. Towering beneath the sleek white lighting of this ultra-modern showroom, the RMMV HX3 STRIKECORE X doesn't just demand your attention, it seizes it. This isn't just a military truck. This is a declaration. A prototype born out of German engineering fury, fused with drone-era intelligence, wrapped in a body that looks like it was summoned from the pages of a science fiction epic. The truck stands, tall on a staggering 16 oversized gold-lit tires, each one more of a statement than the last. Thick, deeply grooved, combat-ready behemoths that look like they could chew through glaciers, deserts, or concrete alike. Encased in reinforced rims, surrounded by glowing golden LED rings, these wheels pulse gently under the showroom lights, like the heartbeat of a machine that was never meant to rest. Each axle is hydraulic, high lift, and armored, giving the entire lower profile a height and power posture that dwarfs anything remotely civilian. Its body is drenched in an iridescent gunmetal teal finish, shimmering with hues of turquoise and midnight as light kisses its razor-sharp edges. There's no wasted curve or softness here. Every line screams function. Every panel looks reinforced to resist both time and war. From the side, you're immediately drawn to the sleek modular drone, bay embedded into the rear architecture, a system that could deploy, retrieve, and manage autonomous aerial units mid-mission. Hatchways are sealed tight now, but the outlines promise something terrifyingly advanced hidden within. Walk around to the front, and the beast truly bears its fangs. A massive tactical grille dominates the center, wide, blackened, and armored. Embedded within it are aggressive LED lights, white-hot slashes of illumination that beam forward like surgical knives through fog. The windshield above is nearly seamless, dark, reflective, with no apparent frame. A monolithic sheet of battle-grade glass stretching across a cockpit that doesn't belong to any truck you've ever seen. And then, there it is, glowing. Above the armored face, the name, HX3 STRIKECORE X. Written in luminous chrome letters, backlit in a soft platinum glow that reflects gently across the glossy showroom floor. It doesn't blink, it doesn't move. It just waits, proud and untouchable, like a title carved into the chest of a giant. The showroom itself is the perfect contrast, clean, futuristic, and calm. Walls painted in a minimalist off-white. Tone. Soft light panels across the ceiling flow smoothly from front to back, bathing the truck in a sterile, cinematic brilliance. The floor is polished black marble with subtle golden veins running through it, mirroring the truck's underglow, and turning its tires into glowing halos of war-ready art. Step inside, and you're transported into the future of vehicle command. The cockpit is a fully digitized command center, not just a driver's seat. Panoramic displays arc across